In this quick video, we're going to walk through how to set up a web sign up widget to add people to your list online versus texting in. So as usual, on the left, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go under Smart Tools, and then you're going to click on Web Sign Up Widget. Now, there are multiple ways that you'd use this widget. If you've already got a website, you can embed this widget on your site. If you don't have a website, you can embed this widget on the mobile landing pages, and I'll show you how to create those in a different video. So first things first, you want to decide which group do you want people to be added to when they fill out your web sign up widget. Now, when you look at this, I'm going to just choose my SMS-iT group. And then it says design your widget. And this is where you're going to just set some options for the background, things like that. So if you mouse over this, just tells you what goes on here. We're going to leave the background color white. If you want to upload your logo and have that appear on the widget, you could upload your logo here. If you've got a web link for your logo, you could paste it here. In this case, I'll just go ahead and upload a logo really quickly here. So I'll scroll down and I'll just choose a quick image here to use as the logo on the web sign up widget. And we've got that uploaded there. So we're good to go. Now we're going to choose the font style. I'm going to leave it as Arial, leave it as normal, and font size, I'm going to make it 14. Now, the sign up message, this tells people why they want to join your list. So I'm going to say, enter your info to get a special offer. To me, giving somebody a special offer is the most enticing thing. Now, if they don't know what the offer is, it's even more enticing. If you say, like, get this, enter this to get 10% off or something, that's fantastic. But if you want to generate leads, you could say get a special offer or secret offer sent to your phone. That is a very enticing way because people go, ooh, I wonder what the secret offer is. Now, successful sign up message, this is what they're going to see on the screen after they fill it out. So we'll say, check your phone in the next few moments for your super secret special offer. Now, if you want to redirect them to a different landing page, instead you can put that in right here. Instead of looking at the successful sign up message, it'll automatically redirect them to a landing page after filling it out. So you may want to do that if you've got an instant download for them or something along those lines. Now, down here, we're going to decide which things do we want to collect from them. I want their email, birthday. I want to know what city they're in, what state, and what zip code with this form. Now, if you want them to get your standard response for your list, you can just leave this as is. But if you want to set up a custom reply when they fill out this form, this will override the instant autoresponder that's attached to the group. I'm going to set up a custom message here that says, congrats, here's the link to your super secret special offer. And then I'm going to put in a web address afterwards. And that's what they'll receive as a text message. Now, step 3, which widget will you be using? If you mouse over this, it'll explain what it is, but there's a couple different kinds. There's a pop-up and there is a embeddable widget. So if you click on this embeddable widget, you can decide like width and height. So maybe with something longer, I want to make this thing like 800 height. And you can say allow scrolling or don't allow scrolling, but I'm going to make it 450 wide, 800 tall. Down here, if you're going to use the pop-up widget, you can use their default image here in SMS-iT, or you can create your own cool image like clickable button. Instead, if you uncheck this, you could just put your own image link there. In this case, I'm going to just choose the embeddable widget. Now, if you want to take a peek, you click on preview widget, and then you can see here's what it looks like. So here's my 400 by 800 widget, or 450 by 800, shows everything in here. Now, know this, even though you said you want email, name, all those things, the things that are required are the phone number. Basically, phone number and it looks like birth date, but everything else here is going to be optional. And the purpose of that is the main thing you want to capture is their phone number anyway, so you can text them. But notice it is responsive too. So this is really nice when you embed it. It is responsive. Now, once you've taken a look at it and you like the way it looks, let me just take a look at it again. Okay, yeah, this looks great. I love it. Now I'm going to hit Create Widget, and it's going to give you all the stuff you need. So if you're going to embed this in HTML email, if you're sending out an email campaign, you can copy that. If you're using their little pop-up logo, you can copy that. And I'm going to click here and copy this. And this is what I would embed in a website if I just want it embedded in the site. And that's how easy it is to create an amazingly beautiful web sign up widget in SMS-iT.